Today is the next day. We're about to leave. So yeah, we're heading back now. So today is in the morning. Just literally woke up. I wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. This is my outfit for today. Yeah. And like we have to check out. It's like almost 10. Why am I doing this? I don't even have a watch. It's almost 10. It's like 10 to 10. So we need to be going back. Yeah. Might stop by another lodge to have breakfast because yeah, we already had breakfast here yesterday. So yeah, we might as well do that at another place. And then yeah, we're heading back to London. Today it's so beautiful. I finally got the windows opened. Last time I saw that like the lighting was just horrible when I was showing you the room tour because the lighting was just horrible. But now the lighting is just amazing. I don't know why I didn't do this yesterday. But yeah, we're leaving and heading back. There, the view looks nice. Exactly, it makes sense though. So yeah, we're at Ekhaya Luxury Resort. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Thank you. So is this the only Fijian restaurant that's there? Oh, don't buy a It's nice. Very, very nice. Ocean, and then like there was ocean. There was just yeah, it's really like that. It's nice. Let's check out the menu. It's in Naone. Wait, where? Is it the same one I'm looking at? Or it's a different one? Means. like the normal chicken that we have in. Then we're gonna Ekhaya quick bites if I need it. Let me see this one. Let me see that one. I'm seeing a different one.
Oh, I want them a snack.
I think this is like what? Bar snack and pizzas.
Here. This one.
Peri chicken, half chicken grilled on open flames, chan, vegetable syrup.
99,000. Half food. I think we have that. 5.5.
Okay, fine. Oh, Uma? Thank you. I'm not gonna go to it. Pep.
I think I top.
Where's the other one?
Yeah?
Maybe a jumbo. Hey, 12,500. I jumbo. Basta ganiga. Fish. Yo. Hey, no, we just have chicken. It's fine. I'll have chicken as well. Yeah, I'll just have that.
What are the views you want to? When I cannot be here.
It's not negligent.
I think a video of now.
It's a video, I'm joking. It's a video. Well, not the lighting looks good.
It is actually.
Yeah, let's try taking a picture. Okay, lunch is here. Kusogolo po may babo. It's fine. Fine. Koko kubanga mpepo kwa mbili. The bathroom in Baliza, is it really here for everyone?
Yeah, those entrance. Oh, straight.
Okay, right now. I feel cold. What is this here? Oh, jambulen baja. Oh. Funa my dog. Residents only. I've even like I Kwamba do rent. Now that I'm here, I've seen that it's getting hot and hot.
It is.
I'll just do sit that side.
But if
The pool looks very nice.
it is.
Komagu, this is the deep end.
It is the different, yeah. Major warning and people would want to be. There's a coffee set, coffee.
It's a video, babe. It's not a picture. It's a video.
Video ni muone nawe na feel like smart ones.
Mamonesa.
Broken man ones.
No, never going to use your card. Some more nigga. Because you're not the main character. I'm joking. Come on, nigga. We're leaving now. I'll see you guys next time on the next vlog. It's been a nice experience. I've loved it. Loved checking out Ekhaya Luxury Resort. It's a nice place. Very luxurious, you know, has that hotel feel and also has that pool area vibe that I like. Very lovely place. I would definitely recommend you come if this is your kind of vibe, like luxury at its best. I didn't see the rooms because obviously we're just stopping by from Alcon cottages, so yeah, I wouldn't know how the rooms look like, but yeah, definitely check it out. The rooms look really cool from the outside. Let me just show you guys the rooms as well. Ooh, the lights, man. So that's how the rooms look like, so I would definitely say, yeah, give it a check. We've asked how much the rooms cost, like 120,000 quite a double and 100 single, so it's quite expensive, but honestly worth your money. So yeah, you know, go for it. One day I will come here when I'm not broke, but until then, bye bye.